Hey Flockers, it's Tori from Touring America. I am unpackaging this brand new cable. It's from J2CC. I got it from Amazon this morning. And what it is it's a 2-in-1 for your mobile phones. And guess what? A 2-in-1 means that whether you have an Android or an Apple, see this? It works. You see these? Let me get these up close for you. Come on, focus. There. See? You can use that on the Apple side or, oops, the Android side. Can you believe that? I mean, that's just genius. I'm really tickled about this. I love the color. It's a rose gold. It's I think it's 3.3 feet. It's made of 4 different kinds of copper wires, so it's very bendy and it won't ever tangle, which is really nice. I am loving this because just imagine when you're out on the road and somebody says, "Oh, I gotta charge my phone. Do you have a great cable?" And I always go, "No, I don't have Apple products." Then I have to hear the Apple comments. But anyways, isn't this amazing? I'm in love with this. The only thing that I would suggest is that they offer a 10-foot cord because of my lifestyle. I always need longer cords. But other than that, this is perfect. I'm going to say, does this thing really work? Yes, indeed. It's going to work for my lifestyle. And I'm sure it's going to work for yours and your friends and your friends' friends and your friends' friends' friends. And so on and so on. All right, Flockers, 2 thumbs up for this one. Have a great day.